All right, we have it back together. This was actually seized on really good and was able to clean everything up and hone the inside. This seal was broken on this side, and I was able to find one that was for a similar type of unit, but it was larger in diameter. I was able to cut it in diameter. Luckily, that wasn't the critical part of it. And then I was able to install it on here. So now she's all back together. And if you'd like to follow along, I will include some video of me making some tooling. We're going to start out. I've cut some pieces of steel. I'm going to be machining these so that I can make a tool, then to shave a seal so that I can use it in the Mura brake compensator. All right, so I'm doing the tooling that I'm going to be putting a hole, but I wanted to say it's a precise hole through this part. And then the other part that I'm going to make is going to have a shaft on it that will go into this. Both of them pressed together with the seal, and then I'm going to cut it. So this is where I'm at right now. Okay, the finished tooling here. So when this is in, these two line up the same diameter. So when we press in the rubber seal, then we have a very good guideline. Now, this is a little bit larger because we're pressing the rubber, so we have to compensate for the squeezing of the rubber. All right, so this piece, which is in the end, will be the piece in the lathe. Okay, so we're gonna see how it fits in the cage. So I only need two sealing surfaces. I need this to seal. This back side is nice to be all straight, and the inside. So let me just get this right here. Okay, so that's what I need. So I think we got a winner here. I think this is going to work out. All right, time to put this together.